Hey, this is Dr. Jerome Joseph. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to rock and roll for 2,000 delegates. My last big mega event keynote was in 2019 December, and then the pandemic started. And I've been doing virtual keynotes, but I get a chance to come back on the big stage and do what I love and do what I'm passionate about, delivering my message on branding and how you can create your brand legacy. Come and have a look at what's going on, right? Down here in this ballroom, it's a huge ballroom, 2,000 people. Yeah, we're gonna give you a shot of it in a bit. You can see what it looks like inside, but I'm pumped, man. I'm pumped. I'm ready to go up there. I'm ready to give my message to make a difference. This is Dr. Jerome Joseph getting ready to go on stage.